So this started about a year ago, where we had to measure the contours of an organic surface. Turns out that's a very hard problem. The only available solution cost $20,000, and that's ridiculous. So we set out to build our own. We looked at what was available out there at the intersection of computer vision and surface measurement, and we couldn't find a single solution that was compelling. The 3D scanners that were precise cost tens of thousands of dollars, and the ones that were affordable weren't precise at all. Today, that changes. We're only just beginning to explore the possibilities of capturing the world in 3D. 3D printing is an amazing tool. It converts a digital file into a physical object. Some call it an industrial revolution. The EORA 3D scanner does the exact opposite of a 3D printer. It lets artists, makers, and designers capture objects and surfaces and turn them into high-quality 3D models and use them as part of the creative process.
We knew we had to use a smartphone. Modern phones are simply amazing. We use them to take pictures, edit videos, update social media, even for gaming. The EORA 3D scanner is powered entirely by your smartphone. Using it is easy. Just open the app and press scan. It'll automatically adjust focus and exposure and drive a green laser to scan your object. As it sweeps, we take over 1,000 photos and analyze them in real time to give you a 3D model. A typical scan takes 3 to 5 minutes and gives you a full color mesh with up to 8 million points. With a range of 1 meter, you can capture objects big and small. Accurate to less than 100 microns, that's the thickness of a single sheet of paper. When engineering the scanner, we had one objective in mind: precision. All that's possible thanks to a design that's both beautiful and functional. Machined from a solid block of aluminium with over 35 milling operations, we've designed it to be both robust and precise. The light ring gives you quick visual feedback, and the adjustable mount lets you secure any modern smartphone. The green laser lets you scan in any lighting conditions, as most cameras are twice as sensitive to green than any other color. For watertight models, we also designed a Bluetooth turntable. It'll sync to your scanner and rotate your object to make sure you get every angle.
We've meticulously designed every aspect of the hardware, and we've tested 7 different prototypes. We've put together a great team, and we've lined up several manufacturers. Now, we need you to help us put this together.
Audio has always been a huge part of our lives. I remember ever since I was a little kid, flipping through audio magazines, and then we always had the best speakers on the block. Later, when I was a teenager, it was almost a daily ritual for my dad and I to close the door to the living room, turn off the lights, and just listen to music with the soft glow of the amplifier's LED. People rarely listen to music with that kind of focus these days, and that's what we want to bring back. That magic spark to the music that only a really high quality system can offer. That's why we founded Phoenix, why we created the Essence, and why we're doing this campaign, to bring back the magic of music. Long before we founded Phoenix, we've loved speakers, always been most passionate about them, because they're the only component in the audio chain that actually reproduces, which creates audio waves. From an acoustic point of view, it's the most important component to get right. From an engineering point of view, they're the most challenging, and as a design object, they're the most dominant out of any of the components. Phoenix was founded with the aim of providing exceptional quality and the best listening experience to as many customers as possible without compromises. With the shifts in listening habits over the past decade, something true not just among regular customers but audiophiles too, a regular speaker made no sense at all. We noticed the same thing with ourselves. We spent hours each day on the computer, listening to music, watching movies, YouTube videos, what have you. So it really had to be an active computer speaker system. The problem we found ourselves in was that there was no high-quality computer speaker system available on the market. Either you got the little speakers that come with your computer, or a big high-end system that doesn't even fit on your desk. So we decided we had to do it ourselves, and that's how the idea for Phoenix was born. Beauty and craftsmanship are not words that you hear too often nowadays, but to us they represent everything. They're our guiding principles, and we want to make sure that everybody has the opportunity to experience them in their own home. They all come together in a beautiful speaker system, already being hailed by the audio press as the world's best computer speaker system, the Essence. It's also quite likely the smallest high-end computer speaker system in the world, period. While the performance of the Essence is unquestionably high-end, it was really important to us that it be accessible to everyone, so the system was fully plug-and-play. Just connect a few cables and you're ready to listen. To make sure everything just works, we partnered with the best man in the business to help us design the custom electronics and DAC stage, Gordon Rankin. Gordon really knows his stuff, and the 24-bit 96 kHz DAC in the Essence is top-notch, state-of-the-art, using the latest technology from industry leaders. One of the secrets of the Essence is that it's the only high-end computer speaker system designed from the ground up to be a computer speaker system. If you want truly stellar performance from a small package, or have limited space in your home or office, there is no other option on the market for you. Everybody who hears the system is astounded at the clarity and power from such a small system, something possible thanks to a unique combination of technologies and methods found only in the Essence. In the back, you'll find input and mode buttons to switch between all of them, a 24-bit 96 kHz USB input for Windows and Mac computers, and it's driver-free, so you don't need to worry about installing any extra software. There's an optical input for televisions and Bluetooth receivers and many other digital devices, and RCA and 3.5mm analog inputs for turntables, your phone, and just about every other device you can think of. There's also a high-quality amplified headphone input and a subwoofer output. The speakers themselves are connected via a industry-first mini XLR speaker cable.
We are often asked how it is possible that our miniature Essence system is able to reproduce such explosive dynamics and incomparable holographic stereo imaging. The short answer is not easy, but I will try to explain what is it that makes Essence unique and how we apply the science and technology to make them sound so incredible. The first difference is in the driver. The driver is the heart of every loudspeaker, and its characteristics are largely responsible for the quality of the sound. Our custom Magic driver has been designed specifically for the Essence, and it is completely integrated coaxial unit with integrated midwoofer, tweeter and passive crossover. The coaxial arrangement allows the sound to radiate from one central point, which is known as a point source. This provides stable stereo imaging, regardless of the listener position. The second major difference is in the Essence cabinets. This image compares the beautiful and stylish Essence unit with typical active box unit made by well-known speaker manufacturer. The standard design utilizes separate woofers and tweeters which are unable to integrate acoustically at short distances. Standard box cabinets are made of MDF, which is foam-like compressed wood powder bonded by harmful chemical resins. It is cheap to manufacture, but the acoustic performance is far from ideal. In contrast, Essence cabinet panels are cast from special low-resonance aluminum alloy. Panels are interlocked by the use of our innovative and industry-first interlocking groove method. Panels interlocking prevents vibration of the panels and seals the cabinets from air leaks. The main reason our Essence cabinets are so rigid is the Phoenix compressed cabinet concept, another industry first. pre-assembled panels are bonded together with tightening rods to form one almost solid block. We use a mechanical press to compress the panels during the assembly process and screw them together. After release from the press, the panels remain under constant tension so that the resonance vibration are reduced to absolute minimum. This is the main reason why Essence impresses with its unmatched clarity. Another industry first is Phoenix Modular Assembly System, or FMAS. To put it simply, the entire Essence units are assembled from identically pre-assembled modules. Each module or component is a part of the whole unit. In traditional box speaker, drivers, crossover, cabinet, port tube and electronics are all separate from each other and vibrate, interfering and causing distortion which blurs the sound. We use our proprietary bus tuning method, which allows the left and right units to work in sync by integrating the sound waves. It is mainly responsible for our system's amazing rhythm and timing. The integrated preamp board includes separate digital and analog pads, which is a very unique feature in the consumer audio product. This allows audiophiles to use Essence to enjoy fully analog sound from vinyl records and other analog sources without any digital processing.
If you've never heard a premium sound system before, the Essence will be a revelation. You'll hear things you never even knew were there, your music and films will take on a new dimension, and you'll become immersed with your sound like never before. Pretty soon you'll ask yourself how you ever lived without them. If we sold the Essence through the traditional distributor and dealer network, the price would be significantly higher, losing sight of our original aim of offering the best quality to as many customers as possible. By coming to Kickstarter, directly to our fans and customers, we're able to offer the Essence for less than half the price that we would otherwise be forced to. If you want the best desktop listening experience in the world and appreciate the beautiful design and bulletproof construction, look no further than the Essence. You'll get to experience some of the best stereo imaging on the market, a pure clear sound that rivals the best of the best at any price, and a system that will last a lifetime. Thank you for backing the Essence.